Hello friends, welcome to Creatively Made in Home. I am Sheetal Pathak here, and in today's video we are gonna see how to make this super cute, very adorable butterflies. These are 3D butterflies, and as you can see they look very cute, very pretty. You can use it as a applique on the bags or kids dress or any garment. You can stick a clip here, and as a hair clip accessory you can use it. They look very cute on girls hair, or you can put a keychain ring and use it as a keychain. They look very cute. I have tried different options so that you can have an idea how they look. These two are with 2 colors, and this one I tried with 3 colors, and this one I tried with a neutral colors, so you can have the idea how it will look in different colors. I am making this as a return gift, as my younger daughter Anaisha's 7th birthday is coming. I am planning to make it as a keychain with her friends alphabet names written in that beaded letters, and I am sure they will be very happy. It is a very quick project. I made these 3 when I was waiting for my kids in their gymnastic class. So in 1 hour I made almost 3.5 butterflies. So they are very quick to make. Once you know the pattern, they are very super easy, super cute. This could be a very good product to sell in the market or sell it on your shop if you sell the finished product, as it requires very less yarn and very less time to make. So this will be a very profitable product for your craft fair or for your shop. So I'm planning to make more tutorials where I'll show you what would be a profitable products to make for your craft fair and for your shop. So you can make many of them in one sitting, and because they look so cute, and once you finish them with the accessories and all, you can charge a really good amount for such products. So let's see how to make this beautiful, cute, adorable 3D butterflies. For this project I am gonna use this pink and white color yarn. You can use any yarn, any color, whichever you want, but use suitable hook for those type of yarn you are using. Here I am using medium worsted weight acrylic yarn, one pink, one white. So I am going with size E, that is 3.5 mm crochet hook, but you can use any yarn that you have in the stash and whatever color you want. Use appropriate hook for the yarn you are using. So let's get started. I would like to tell that the shades that you use, choose one darker shade and one lighter shade. That combination looks good with this project. So let's start with the darker shade. In the magic ring, make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Then we will do 1 double crochet in the magic ring. 1. Then make 2 chain. Then 2 double crochet. So in the magic ring, 1 double crochet, 1 more double crochet. Again make 2 chain, and in the magic ring 2 double crochet. 1 more, 2 chain, 2 double crochet. Like that we will do 8 pair of double crochet. First this 3 chain will consider as 1 double crochet, so that with first double crochet is 1 pair, then 2 chain, second pair, 2 chain, third pair. Again 2 chain I have made. Now we will make 4th pair. Like that total we should have 8 pairs. So here I have completed 8 pair of double crochet. At the end make 2 chain, and where we made the first 3 chains, go in the last third chain of that and make a slip stitch. This completes our first round. pull this tail yarn to tighten the loop. Like this. Now insert hook in this double crochet and just make one slip stitch. Then go to this chain space where we have 2 chain, no? Insert hook in that and make one more slip stitch. Basically we want to cover in this chain space, so we did one slip stitch in the double crochet, one slip stitch in the chain space. Then make chain 3. Here in this chain space only we will make 2 double crochet. One, 2. Then make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Again in the same chain space make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Skip working on this double crochet. Now we'll work in this chain space. So in this, go to this chain space and make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Again 3 double crochet in the same chain space. 1, 2 and 3. Similarly we'll go to the next chain space. We'll not work on the double crochet. Go to the chain space, 3 double crochet, 3 chain, again same chain space, 3 double crochet. Similarly we'll work on all the 8 chain spaces. So now I'll go to the next chain space and make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet. Similarly complete the round. So here I have completed my 8 pair of 3 double crochet and 3 chains. I have reached the end. Insert hook in the 3rd chain and complete this round with a slip stitch. Pull out a loop and cut the yarn. Now in this we have this 8 chain spaces and we have this 3 double crochet. Now insert hook in between these 2 pairs. See here I have 3 double crochet, then this side. In between these 3 here insert hook there and grab your second color yarn and pull. Remember we are not starting where we made the chain, we are starting where we have this 3 double crochet, no? In between that we are starting. Pull a loop, make 1 chain. Now go to this chain space. We'll skip these 3 double crochet, go to the chain space and make 10 double crochet in that chain space. I'll hold this tail yarn there. So 1, 2, 3, 9 and 10. See, it will look like a fan. We work 10 double crochet in this chain space. So here I completed 10 double crochet. Now insert hook in between this pair of 3 double crochet. See this 3 double crochet here, 3 double crochet there. Insert hook in between and make 1 single crochet. Now go to the next chain space and work 10 double crochet in that chain space. Completed my 10 double crochet here. Again go in between this 3 double crochet pair and make a single crochet. Again make 10 double crochet here, single crochet, 10 double crochet in the chain space, single crochet in between the two pair of 3 double crochet. Similarly complete this round and we'll see how to finish it. So here I have completed my round. Now insert hook in the first chain that we made here and make a slip stitch. So our round is completed here. Now what you do, we have this 8 fans, so 4 fans one side, 4 fans other side, like that we will divide our piece like this. You can see it's looking like a butterfly, cute butterfly. So 2 here, 2 back side, 2 this side, 2 back side, like that we fold it into half. Now we will connect it in the center. First go where we have this first stitch, there on the insert hook, go to the opposite side, we have this single crochet in that and pull up a loop, make a slip stitch. Then in between this pair where we have made this first stitch, no, insert hook in that. Similarly on the back side where we have done the single crochet, insert there, pull a loop, keep this loop little loose, we'll make a slip stitch. Next we have this pair of double crochet, insert in between 2 double crochet, come out in between these 2 double crochet, take a loop and make a slip stitch. Then here just grab the yarn from, we have completed the full work, so just grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. So a beautiful butterfly is connected. Here make it little tight. Now make 10 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. We work 10 chain, skip first chain and from the second chain make slip stitch in each chain. So skip the first one, go to the next chain and just work slip stitch, next slip stitch. So we'll have 9 slip stitches. I completed all slip stitches. Insert hook in this chain where we connected both the pieces, no, that last chain, and make a slip stitch. Turn the work, again make 10 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Skip first chain, make slip stitch in remaining 9 chains. So here I completed my slip stitches. Insert hook where we have this last loop and make a slip stitch there. Make one more stitch and pull the loop. Cut this yarn and just hide this yarn. Pull it inside. It's gone. Our beautiful butterfly is ready. Isn't it very cute? It is a 3D butterfly with these cute antennas. So finally I decided to put the bead and make a hanging like this. It's looking very cute. So I'll show you how I have done that. I have taken the first color, like here this blue color, here I took purple color. So whichever color you want, you take it. It's almost like 1 foot long yarn and cut it. Make a half of it, this, and leaving some distance, tie a couple of knots there so that the bead will not fall off. Like this. The other side, I inserted the tapestry needle in both the strands, and I have this wooden small beads. I inserted it through that. Make sure that the bead will not fall off. The knots are sufficient enough to hold it. Then the other side also I tied a knot. Here only one is sufficient so that the bead will not move much. Anyway, we are going to fix it to the butterfly, so down it will be secured. So I put only just one knot there. And take out the tapestry needle. Take your hook. Here where we have these two antennas of the butterfly, the other side where we have this magic ring loop, from there I inserted the hook and took one strand from that side out. The other side of the same antenna, insert hook from this side and pull the other strand so that the bead will be exactly in the center of both the antennas. Now as we have connected here, we won't be able to tie these two, so insert hook from one wing to the other side like this and pull one strand to the other side like this. Then tie a couple of knots with these two tails. And cut the remaining strands. And beautiful, you can hang it in the car also. It is looking very pretty with this wooden bead. This is ready. I hope you like this pattern. As I told you, it is a very beautiful pattern, very good for selling in the market or in your shop, very quick to make, required very less material. So please try it and let me know how you like it. If you like this tutorial, please give it thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and let me know in the comment if you have any suggestion. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.